this is going to be the 9th and final path to the fireworks, so this is mine. Now, it is a bit shorter than the rest, because I only wanted to make one path, or one build for myself, because it's mostly about everyone else. So, it is a bit shorter, so I'm sorry. Oh no. Nope. Ugh. Well, the sad thing is that can happen, so I'll have to plan for that. Anyway, aside from the animals, so my build is that over there. So it's basically a snowman small village, or town, if you will. So all these snowmen are indestructible, so they can't be destroyed at all. And these are their homes. So each house has beds, crafting table, furnace, and a chest, I believe, for their storage. So that is it, and you will see what this is later on as part of the actual fireworks show. As for the fireworks, it'll be happening tomorrow, so I will be posting all of these videos on YouTube very shortly. So thank you everyone for watching.